Okay, means like you can just tell that. I will not ask you very detail, but how much you sell per month now on Amazon?
It's been going up and down. So like I don't know per month, but per year, the last like let's say 4 years, I think the low was maybe about 500,000, and the high a little over $1 million US dollars per year. So my profit not that much, because actually a lot of what I do
Okay.
is I'm not doing it for profit. First of all, half of that business is all the money goes to Helium 10, and
Okay.
then the one that's my personal one, I use this a lot for like a lot of experiments. So the reason why I'm always able to have new strategies maybe that other people aren't doing is I'm testing constantly. So I waste a lot of my money in weird PPC things and weird strategies and weird campaigns. But gross revenue, yeah, is between 500,000 and $1 million.